How to become an audio engineer, brought to you by jobsearchchannel.com.
What's going on today, guys? So today I'm going to be talking about how music producers get paid. Now, I've been learning about music production for over 10 years now, and I'm still learning every single day. Music production and music in general is one of those things that when you start out, you have to realize that you're going to be learning forever. Simply due to the fact that music and music technology is ever changing, it's always evolving. You're always going to have to, learn if you want to keep up and be successful. I got started in music production specifically because music's always been a huge passion of mine. Now, at first, music production wasn't specifically a passion, but I started off as a singer and guitarist playing in different bands, did the whole touring thing, performed live, did all that stuff. And I kind of wanted to get in on the other side to see what music production was all about. I had always thought of it as this kind of dark art, but quickly learned through experience that it's not. It's something that everyone can do. It just requires a little bit of hard work and dedication, just like anything else. I did a few internships out here at some studios in LA, and now I currently work full-time as a producer, composer, and engineer at a sync music studio out here in LA. So yes, we're getting paid to make music. It's pretty awesome. You might want to know the answer to the question of how music producers get paid because you're interested in music production, but you're maybe not sure if it's a lucrative career choice. In my experience, this is how music producers get paid. So for starters, music producers typically are not on salary. I don't really know any music producers that I can think of that are on salary. I'm sure there are some. Usually, if they are, it's because they work under the umbrella of a specific company producing music for that company. Though most music producers will produce music for different artists, different companies, etc. So they are very much freelance. They're mostly self-employed. And the level of income for really any given producer depends on how much work that producer does and how much they charge for their work. On the low end, when I started out, I was maybe charging $100 per song, and that's, of course, when I was just learning, just trying to figure it out. Then, you get up to charging a couple $1,000s per song, and you have top name producers who are, charging $100,000 to produce a single song. So it really depends, and those people get paid either by a record label, by the artist, or by the company that is hiring them as a producer. So that company, that artist, that record label becomes that producer's client, and they get paid through them as a one-off freelance gig. In terms of income, there are definitely a few different sources. So you can make money, like I said, producing tracks for people, for companies, for record labels. These can be songs for artists. These can be underscores for television and film. These can even be, podcasts for radio or online. It really depends on what you can find and what you want to do. You can also make money on the back end. So as a producer, you can make money if you get writing credits on songs. Those songs get tons of streams on Spotify or Apple Music. You can get paid off of those streams. You can get a percentage, which is really great. And those can add up, basically becoming passive income. You can also get syncs through television companies and get paid for that. Get your song in a commercial, get your song in a TV show, get your song in some, radio commercial even. And, it's a really wonderful way, again, to earn passive income that will, reel in maybe every time that commercial is played or, whatever. It really depends. But yeah, that's my little insights into how music producers get paid. If you guys have any other questions, be sure to check the description and get in touch with us. All right, take it easy.